Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This is going to be board system test 52 with the Lite MS-5UD fire alarm system. So let's go ahead and get started. First notification appliance, we have an Edwards G1RF-HDVM horn strobe. This device will be doing code 3 and is set on 75 candela. Something a little different is that I actually went ahead and bought a trim plate. So now I will be able to feature this device with a trim plate if I want. So I'm really happy about that. So makes it look a little bit better than just having a regular back box. So it is still on a box, but looks better with the trim plate. It looks a lot cleaner too. Still have the system sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector. Nothing has changed with that. If we follow the conduit up, brings us to an Edwards 282B-PL rate of rise heat detector. For a second notification appliance, this is actually a new notification appliance to the collection. This is an Edwards EG1AV horn strobe. This is a lot different than a lot of the other horn strobes I have by Edwards. This is going to be doing code 3 on 15 candela. Obviously it has an LED strobe. It looks a little bit different, but basically makes the same sound. So it's pretty cool. It's the newer generation of Edwards devices. So you will be seeing this featured in a lot of my videos. As a lot of you guys probably know, I do have a lot of LED EST alarms. So it's pretty cool. We still have the Firelight A980 fire alarm annunciator. I don't think it's changed with that, and the system is normal. If we move down, we have an RTS2 key test station, and that connects up to my duct detector. For our pull stations in today's test, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have an Edwards 270 SPO local alarm single action pull station. And on the right, we have an Edwards 279B-1110 SIGA pull station. This is the one that you actually have to use a screwdriver to unlock. Very similar right there. Very similar to an Edwards 270 SPO. Use a screwdriver on top to unlock it. I also have the keyed version, but this version is not the keyed one. Like I mentioned, screwdriver release. And if we move down, we have the system sensor D4120 duct detector, and that connects up to my RTS2 key test station. Alright, I think to start off today's test, I'm going to go ahead and pull the Edwards SIGA. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. No audible silence in today's test. The notification appliances are 2-wire. For our next test today, I'm going to go ahead and activate this heat detector by just using a hairdryer. So here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset this pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my flathead into the top. I'm going to turn it, if I can. Sometimes it's a little tricky. There we go. I'm going to flip the switch down. I'm going to reset the handle. Then I'm just going to pop it back into place, just like that. Then I'm going to go to the Firelight 8080 and I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to pull the Edwards 270 SPO. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my flathead into the top. I'm going to turn the screw. Again, some of these are just so stripped out that they're really difficult to turn. There we go. Flip the switch down. I'm going to reset the handle. Pop it back into place, just like that. And now I'm going to go into the main fire alarm control panel, and I'm going to hit system reset. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video.